What's happening, guys? Welcome to RGHtechTv. This is Moto E5 Plus, and I'm actually going to return this product to Amazon. There is one specific issue which I'm actually facing with this unit. I'll let you know that a little bit later, guys. But firstly, let's try and address some general issues which I have noticed on Moto E5 Plus. Now, the first thing, guys, the price to performance or price to specification ratio is not at all good. It's available at 12K, and they have used that 2-year-old processor, that is Snapdragon 430 with that Adreno 505 GPU. Now, we have seen Snapdragon 430 on Redmi 3S Prime, Redmi 3S, and Lenovo K6 Power in 2016 itself. So absolutely at 12K, there is no justification for using this processor. Now, guys, at 11 or 12K, you'll get this Asus Max Pro M1, which has that Snapdragon 636 processor. It comes with that dual camera setup. It also has that 18:9 aspect ratio for the display. And there are a lot of good things with this Asus Max Pro M1. Actually, there is a lot of competition in Indian market, and there are many good devices like Asus Max Pro M1 or Oppo Realme One. There are a lot of options, Honor 9 Lite. And I don't find any reason why would anyone go with the Snapdragon 430 processor at 12K. Even if they couldn't have given the Snapdragon 600 series processor, be it Snapdragon 625 or Snapdragon 636, they should have at least given a Snapdragon 450. That's what I believe at 12K. Next, guys, lack of sensors. This phone does not have gyroscope. And also it does not have compass sensor or magnetometer. So if you don't have magnetometer, then applications like compass won't work. Second, you will notice little bit of issues in while navigating through Google Maps. So if there are some sharp curves or sharp turns, you will notice some issues. And no gyroscope. You cannot play 360 videos on YouTube, and I believe some games do require you to have gyroscope to be played, and so those games would also not be supported on Moto E5 Plus. Next, lack of Moto actions, guys. I was pretty much surprised. They have actually not included. See, generally Moto devices have that chop gesture to turn the flashlight on, and they also have that twist your wrist to turn on the camera. Those two features are actually missing. There are some new Moto actions, like you have that 3-finger screenshot, but guys, they have chose not to include that. I don't know for what reason. That would have been more convenient, I believe. And I believe this is the first time they have eliminated, those two Moto actions. Next, guys, there is no portrait mode. I believe every phone launching these days does have that portrait mode, giving you that DSLR kind of pictures, blurring the background. Yes, they are not that advanced at around 10 or 11K. For example, Realme One also does not have that dual camera setup, but they have provided that through software processing. They have enabled it through software. You don't actually require the hardware to do that. Yes, it's not 100% perfect, but at least you have an option that isn't present on Moto E5 Plus as of now. Be it front facing camera or rear facing camera, you do not have a portrait mode. Next, guys, this has that face unlock, which is a half-baked software feature which they have provided. Now, the thing is, guys, first things first, 50% of the time it does not detect. It has issues detecting your face. Second, even if it unlocks, you'll have to swipe the lock screen to get to the home screen, and there are not many customization options available regarding face unlock. So that is again a disappointment. Next, the main reason why I'm returning this product is I'm not able to sign in using the Google account. So if I try adding the Google account, it shows this error message. Let me quickly show you. So as you can see, now, guys, I have actually tried resetting the data in the applications. So as you can see, it has this error. I tried resetting data of Google Play services, Google Play Store, Google Services Framework. That didn't work. I tried side loading the application, the Google Play Store application and Google Play Services application, all the applications relating to that also didn't work. And third, I went to the service center and they tried updating the software. That also didn't work. They actually suggested me to return this product or get it replaced. So this issue, guys, is specific to this unit, I believe. And also, guys, I'll quickly show you the YouTube application. You can see that the thumbnails are pixelated. I'm not able to play the YouTube videos as of now. I'm not able to play YouTube videos without adding the Google account, which shouldn't be the case, by the way. As you can see, the thumbnails are pixelated, and if I tap, they are not playable. and the service people mentioned that there might be some hardware issue. That is the reason why we are not able to add the Google account, and also you can see that the video playback is not that good. So guys, these were my reasons why I'm returning this product. Mainly it's because of that Google account thing. So guys, I have done my best thing to mention all the things which I have noticed which are not that good on Moto E5 Plus. If you feel this video was informative, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, follow us on Twitter at RGHtechTv, subscribe to us on YouTube. Most importantly, thanks for watching, and I'll see you real soon.